In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove green screen background on Filmora 15. If you have found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. You can see I have already opened Filmora on my MacBook. I need to click on import. Again, I choose this image for this project. Then drag and drop on timeline. And I want to keep it 1 second. Then first of all, I need to choose this image. Now I need to go on Chroma key, then select color. This is green color. Obviously, I select green. Wow, you can see it's already working. Now I need to download as a PNG or JPG file. That's it. Going on export, then format. Here's the lots of format available. I recommend you PNG image sequence, then export. That's it. If I open this file as well, wow, it's excellent and full HD resolution image. Thanks for watching. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.